Guys, here you can see my more video has came out with the Django, and in today's Django video, in the deploy a Django video, I'm telling about the elastic Beanstalk. I know the topic is different, but in today's video we are learning about it. And please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss a future later video. So I did not take a long time, and without wasting any time, so let's move from the screen and let's go coding with laughing. Guys, in today's Django video, in a deploy Django video, I'm telling about the elastic Beanstalk. If you don't know what is elastic Beanstalk, so let me tell you without wasting any time. Elastic Beanstalk. In AWS, like I make a full series about the AWS. I told you about how to create a AWS account and that all thing. Navigate to elastic Beanstalk application as we did in the chapter provider, choose provider chapter. Okay, like you know, if you following my Django playlist, and click the create application button. Like this one example, here you can see it. We click on here and we click the create application button. Here is, okay, you click here. Let me show you where. Here, let me give him border. Shape fill should be no fill. Okay, here. Then come down this one diagram. Now create EB application. How to create it? Once you have clicked the create application button, you will be taken to this page where you can give your Django project a name. I will name it my first Django. Okay, I will name it like that. This type of one, and when you click onto the create application, this type of one interface has been came. You write here in the application name. You write here my first Django. What you write here? You write here my first Django. Let's come down. Here you write like my first Django. Okay, application name is my first Django. You write here. Let me see here. Okay, my first Django. Then what you can do now? Come down. Choose your platform. Which platform are you using? Then scroll down until you see the platform section and choose Python with the recommended version. Okay, then scroll down. This type of an interface has been came. Select the Python and choose the latest version, recommended version. Okay, recommended version you will be choose like that. Here you can see it like that. Choose the platform should be Python and choose the recommended version. Okay, recommended version you will be use like that. Then when you will be do it, so let's come down then upload the .zip file. Means that like in the previous video we make how we like in the previous video we see that how to create a zip file. You upload it here. Okay, next scroll down to the next section, the application code section, and choose upload your code. Close on the choose file, but navigate to the .zip file you created in the previous chapter, like in the previous chapter I have told you, and upload it. How to upload it? Upload your code. Click here and then upload your zip file which we created in our previous video. Choose file and then upload it here. Then what you can do? The .zip file is uploaded and we are ready to deploy it. Deploy. Click the create application button to start deploying it. When you click on the create application, where is the create application? Here is the create application. Okay, click here. Then waiting. The deployment will take a few minutes. Okay, then your interface will be look like this. Here you can see it. Then come down, success. Finally, the project is live and you can view it by clicking the link below. The first Django in your header, or type the host address in your browser also. Like this one, your first project has been live. Okay, like that. Here you can see it. So like that you can do it very easily. As so in today's video we see that how to do it very easily as, and now I hope you can enjoy this class. And in today's video we see that how to in the deploy a Django video I'm telling about the elastic Beanstalk, and in today's video with the diagrams I told you how to host, how to live your Django provider. And you are thinking the previous video is very smaller, but this is a very smaller video. In that video there are not any such type of thing. In that video, that is the very main video. That is the very small video, but that is a very main video. Because in the previous video we see about how to create a zip file. If you don't know how to create a zip file and you do not make the zip file, so you are not come on this video. Why? Because if you do not make the zip file, so how you can upload your code in the Elastic Beanstalk in the AWS? How? So that's why I'm telling you, see the previous video, then come on this video, then yeah, your concept will be clear about it. But I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss our future related videos. So for today, goodbye.